Hey, what's up, player? Yo, it's your boy Stanley, man. Aka Geraldine, man. What's good, yo? Yo, I'm out here in your motherfucking town, bro. Yo, you see you was looking for me, right? You see you was looking for me, right? That's what you said, right? You see you was looking for me, right? Yo, bro, I never sleep, man. Once a Marine, I was a motherfucking Marine, bro. I'm a devil dog, motherfucking leather neck. You feel me? I was trained to motherfucking kill, not to make motherfucking love. You feel me? Alright, let me fucking tell you something, bro. I'm a fucking American. I'll tell you this much again, bro. Alright, I'm a fucking United States Marines, bro. I was trained to motherfucking kill. Ora, simplify, do a motherfucking die, bitch. Alright? I'm gonna tell you straight up, B. Ok? Ou te di, yo, ti chabi masisi, ou te di, tap cheshem? Maskaka chawon. Ou akote mi la? Motherfucking Long Island, bitch. Long Island, man. Ou akote mi la? Long Island, bro. Alright? Bam doun ti la gay. Ok? Mbral moutre le ki es mwenye, man. Ok? Alright? Ya motherfuckers ready? Yo, check this out.
Yo, that chummy ass pussy nigga, you already know we coming, nigga. These shows, nigga. Baba get your face hit, nigga. Yo, you already know, nigga. Keep it, yo, son, don't fuck with my boy right here, you know? You can't fuck with this guy right here, man. You got too many goons out here, you know me? That's a fact. Bring out here, man.
Alright, yo, let's go, bro. Alright, let's go. Yo, alright? Yo, I'm on my way, motherfucker. Yo, you came looking for me, right? You came looking for me, right? Alright? Yeah. Alright? Yo, I'm gonna come straight to your motherfucking ass, bro. I'm a crazy motherfucker, yo. You see that? Long Island, baby. Long Island. I'm coming to your ass right now. We don't give a fuck, bro. Alright? Yo, Rob. We don't give a fuck, right? Alright? Tout drôle là, tout drôle n'a pas man. Yeah, ouvre l'un bad boy, n'a pas bad boy, man. Ouvre quelque chose however the fuck you want it, you're gonna get it, bitch.
Out here, gang.
Yo, Charmy, where the fuck you at, faggot ass nigga, faggot ass bitch? Come outside, baby. Yo, we out here for you. Come outside, Charmy. Hey, Charmy, come outside, Charmy. Siwo sal kalan back.
Boom, nigga. Come outside, show me.
Yo, where the fuck he at? Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah. Alright? I'm gonna move your life. Keep on your really, man. Come on, some bitches. Yo, ça c'est machine siwo. C'est machine siwo, man. Nah. He ain't out here, man. You can back it there, la can back it. Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna show you something right now. Alright? Kote, man. Yeah, many, man. Make a call me for man. Alright? Yeah. Alright, yo. Alright, yo. Kote siwo, man. Kote siwo bala? Yeah, kote siwo bala? Yo, kote siwo, man. Yo, where you at? Yo, that's that. Me bagay bullet, me bagay bullet la, man. Okay, me bagay bullet la. That's that illegal shit.
No.
Yeah, France.
Yo, got siwo. Siwo nou la, he said.
Siwo nou la, man. Yo, siwo nou la, man. Siwo nou la, nou under, man. Yeah, siwo nou under, man. Yo, siwo, what's up, yo? Yo, siwo nou la, man. You see that? Yo, siwo, what's up, yo?
Nou la, he said.
Oh, okay then, alright. Yeah, siwo nou la, man. Nou la ka women. Yeah, siwo nou la, man. Siwo nou la ka women. What's up? Siwo nou la ka women. What's up? Yeah, man, you men by preuve, man, that I siwo la kunya la, man. Yo, where you at? Yo, côté France. Côté monsieur, man. Ouais, cinéma zin bagay, mon siwo bagay, mon yeah, siwo la, man. Yeah, siwo la bagay. Yeah, yeah. Alright? Okay. Yeah, siwo nou la, man. Yeah. Alright? Yeah. Where the fuck you at? Alright? Yo. Kote, yo. Yo ka shooter, man. Montre m'te pasan dan, man. Gren nan munda, man. Gren nan munda, where the fuck you at? Yeah. Yeah, kote. Alright? Yeah. Alright? Yeah, on a li nou men. Yo, e pa machin misyon sa. Se te machin misyon, tap krasel men. Yeah, e pa machin misyon sa, tap krasel. 15 secondes nap tourne encore. Yeah, monsieur, depuis nous ouais Chami nap bat monsieur pile. Monsieur, depuis nous ouais Chami, we're gonna fuck him up. Depuis nous ouais Chami, nous gonna fuck him up.
Monsieur, on vole iPhone, nous va prendre iPhone.
Non, many. Cinéma c'est, ouais, cinéma c'est. On allez, monsieur pas là, on allez, man. Yo, let's go, man. On allez, man. Yo, guys, let's go, man. Motherfuckers, man. Alright? The fuck out of here. You on some bitch ass shit. Yo, come in. You're gonna come in my motherfucking town talking about you coming for Geraldine. I'm a bitch ass motherfucker, man. I'm a crazy ass motherfucker. Yo,
get about when you get the shots in there, nigga. I've forgot shots, no dog.
Yo, I'm so fully balanced. I'm so Shani, go fully balanced.
Don't fuck with my son's shots, nigga. You fuck around, you get your head split. You know what I mean? Real talk, nigga. That's how we coming, nigga. Boom, bye.
Fuck out of here.
Do that shit.
BK in the house, baby.
BK all day and every day.
Fuck out of here, man. Yo, this motherfucker's from Miami, man. Come out here, man. Trying to disrespect nigga, man. He all up in my motherfucking grill, yo.
Let me see how many views you got.
Yeah. Bye.
Let me see. Let me do it. Yo, everybody right now. Yo, look at the Facebook side, man. Oh boy, c'est un show là, nigga. If you disrespect Geraldine, nigga, you know these niggas is gonna come out. Look, that's the game. And that's him himself. Don't fuck around, nigga. He keep them niggas around him, you know me? Don't fuck around, homie.
Bitch ass motherfucker talking about he wanna have a one-on-one fight.
Nah, I don't know.
Out of here.
Ain't no one-on-one with the squad. Boom.
Everything moving. Everything moving. Everything moving. Fucking one-on-one. Everything moving right now, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? We moving right now. We moving. Chase is moving, you heard? When's a cowboy is a wild boy? You heard? You see wild boys? We out here, nigga. Chase out here. Fuck you mean, nigga? Fuck you mean one-on-one, nigga? I'll beat you up right now, nigga. Nigga, put your location on, nigga. Fuck you mean, nigga? We here, nigga. Yeah. Put that shit,
nigga. We right in your town, baby. We right in your town.
Nigga.
Right in your
mother. I forgot where we parked. How about that? We forgot where we parked at. We just walking around. How about that? We walking around. Look, we walking around. You know where we parked at? Look. No parking. No empty space, nigga. We here, nigga. We just walking around. We here. Cruising.
Yes. Real bad man, blood clot them out, you understand? Can't come and disrespect blood clot iron and me come and just lick you in your bumper clot.
You lucky you wasn't there. Nigga. God helped you, nigga. God helped you, nigga. That's a fact. Nigga. You had wings in your back, nigga.
You not fuck with this guy.
That's a Fendi.
You fuck with us.
That's a Gucci Louis Vuitton, you heard? That's all real. That's a Gucci Louis Vuitton. That's all real, you heard? That's all real, you heard? That's all real. Gucci Louis Vuitton, you heard? All real, nigga.
The fuck out of here, alright? Yo, little motherfucker.